Meet the HE&M Saw 787DA-XL all-road portable benchtop bandsaw. The 787DA-XL has a cutting capacity of 9.4 inches wide by 5.9 inches high at 90 degrees. Uses a 3/4 inch blade and is powered by a 2.7 horsepower, 115 volt, 2-speed motor. The 787 is capable of mitering one way at 45 degrees, giving speed and accuracy to cut material at angles. Swing the arm to the desired angle as read on the protractor scale located on the saw. When mitering at a full 45-degree angle, the cutting capacity becomes 5.7 inches wide with a 3.2 inch height. The 787 gets the name all-road from its ease of usage and movement. The saw is extremely versatile as it is placed on 2 wheels. This means you can pick up the saw and move it around to your pleasure, and when you're ready to use the saw again, simply drop it down to where it is flat and you can begin the sawing operation. Vising is manually adjusted to clamp your material, holding the workpiece securely during the cut. The blade tensioner allows for easy blade tensioning to make sure the blade is properly tensioned. The blade guides can be adjusted closer to the part, providing more beam strength to the blade, allowing optimal blade support for straighter and more accurate cuts. The 787 is capable of dry cutting material, needing no metalworking fluids to operate smoothly and safely. When operating the 787, it utilizes gravity to assist cutting operations. During operation, undo the stop knob to let the saw arm begin falling. Then adjust the arm feed rate knob to your desired cutting rate, and gravity will do the rest. When your cut is finished, remember to move the stop knob back into position. After you finish a cut, just manually lift the arm on the saw to put it back into position. Thank you for watching our overview of the HE&M Saw 787DA-XL all-road portable benchtop bandsaw. For more information and to submit a quote, visit our website at hemsaw.com.